I'm Juniors Gaming, and welcome back to Minecraft Island Edition. We are playing, but we are playing episode 1. I mean 2. Episode 2. It's complete. Episode 2. Let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna get. Okay, we're gonna get. We are doing coal mix pickaxe episodes. We want to include. So, yeah. So, I'm sorry for this one because it's okay. We are trying to get all the stones. Okay, okay, that's it. So I'm doing something. I'm getting something about that. Okay, we're gonna get something. Wait, I'm easy bridge Shh. Okay, let's see. Okay. First of all, coal will identify the mining center. Because I'm not too many of. So we are doing ship. Okay, let me start Mr. Ship. And Mr. Ship. So this is one my bitch. I was the good bitch. Okay, we gotta go to boat there. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, I'm almost angry now. Let's go. Okay, this is mine. Okay. Which loves forest there because of this. Okay, here come. Okay. It's in there. Wait. Hi, have you seen my iron ores? Okay. This one can hide. Oh no! Glitch! It's like glitch. It's glitch. I don't even know what happens to my game. Happens to stand falling. It's glitch about that. Okay, I have 42 souls there. Okay, let's go back to bed. Oh, there's some more stones. Okay, I'm gonna find the stones. I can break the slide blocks. Throw this one. And that's it. It's inside it. Wait. That's it. I got all my items. I got found 44 stones. Let's go, guys. Let's get back to my house. Already go at my house? Sure, yes. You said yes. Okay, let's go back to house. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, I'll go back to right now. And then just go home. Oh shit. Creeper gonna catch me. Stop. Help. Somebody help. Shut up. Okay, I just sorry because I'm scared like that. Because I'm hungry. Oh, I like that. Oh, skeleton here. Okay, it's like that. I should like that I have seen. It's me. Okay. Okay, I'm hungry, so I'm hungry. Okay, we're gonna get foods. I like some this. That's it. I got 2 foods. Okay, we got the food. We got one with the spot. I can see. Wait. I just get my bag first. Shh, quiet. We got iron golems. I mean iron ore. Just get crafts. Sorry, goodness. I don't have any furnace. You just get me coal. Where? Where is my coal? Okay, where's it? Okay. I don't see my coal here. So we need to find the coal. Wait, then just find coal. Let's not go in the chest. Okay. Shh. Let guard go. Let guard go. We got coal. You need to see. I don't even see the coal. We don't see the coal here. Wait, I just find. It's lagging. What's the kind? So I need to finish the roof first. Okay. More stones in here. Wow. Okay. Okay. We just got to make stones. Too dark. Right? Okay. We gotta get stones in many standbys. That's it. I get some stone, all stones. It's okay. Okay, I have 34 stones in me. This I found in my house. Okay. But I know I did my stones, more stones in there. Let's go on the mountain. So I like this shit because it's like cool. Oh my god, it's like I like this shit. I like my skin. It's so cool. You like my words in the infinite. I did the infinite my world. Okay, I found something. Furnace. Now I got near furnace. Coal is not. No more coals in right now. Oh, I found the coal. Okay. We got 2 coals. Okay, let's go back inside. Ouch. Okay, gonna get my coal. What? I can craft coal. Oh. Okay. Let's make the skull in the furnace. Let's go. Let's make our first coal like that. Oh, no, that's not working because I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, idiot. Lols. Okay, never mind. I just return my chest in my chest. 52. I got 52 chests. Look at that. Okay, I know that it's like. Okay, I'm done with this, my mining. Let's go to the next. Then I like cake. Eat my cake. Huh? No, like that cake. Okay. Cake. I like toast, and then on the real ones. And then it golden apples first because. But I like to have regeneration hydrogen first. Why? Because I really like that food. This is the best food ever. Okay, let's clear. Let's go today, tomorrow. Okay, it's morning. We are not. Oh. Okay. Yes, I'm an evening gay. I got 2 hunger stuff. Okay. Oh, it's a cool day, not cool, good day. Why fire up here? Okay, I think just firing. Someone's died. Fire away. I saw a fire. Okay, if you're trying to make this. So, garden so much to be growing. So guys, that's it. Let me continue episode 3. I'm sorry for them sleeping right now because I am class tomorrow, Wednesday tomorrow. It's just day because I'm into it. So we are gonna doing guys. I will see you guys next video. Bye.